It's boss time! Here comes Sasha.
She fights to make it to the top just like every other superstar.
And look, there's nothing wrong with trying to make the light shine on you, but there are other women in the locker room in WWE. Banks is a glory hog. Sasha would wait in line for a refrigerator to open. She's that addicted to the spotlight.
She's good, though. Let's not forget, the title is on the line here tonight.
How can I forget? I've been looking forward to this match for a long time.
But guys, I don't know if her championship reign has ever been in more jeopardy than it is here tonight.
I'd have to agree, Cole. But despite that, I've learned to never pick against the champ. Just when you think somebody has her number, she goes and elevates her game again.
Introducing the challenger, from Boston, Massachusetts, Sasha Banks. And introducing the champion, from Pennsylvania, she's the...
You can see it in everyone's eyes. They all want this championship. The champion came out here somewhat gloating their belt around. Don't know if that's their way of playing mind games.
That title should give anyone the right to gloat. Look, what good is it being on top of the mountain if you don't get to look down on everybody else?
That is a sad attitude to have.
Well, looks like Sasha Banks is setting a very good pace now. Nobody can match up with this woman when she's on a roll like this. Nobody.
Hit the mark with that one.
To the jaw.
Oh, you could pick up your teeth in section 112.
Boom! WWE superstars compete in hundreds, if not thousands, of matches in their careers. And for Sasha Banks, there may never be one as impactful than her matchup against Alexa Bliss in Abu Dhabi.
Oh, what a boot.
Check out Sasha Banks here.
The champ trying to roll with these hits.
She still has a lot of time to recover, though.
Drop kick!
Oh, great height.
Sasha Banks is obsessed with hogging the spotlight, and if her opponent's smart, she'll capitalize on Banks' ego.
Hogging the spotlight? What are you even talking about, Corey?
Banks is obsessed with letting everyone know she's the boss this and the boss that. Eventually, she'll be too busy bragging to the WWE Universe to focus on the match, and that will be the perfect opening.
Sasha Banks is really on the attack now.
Here comes the boss.
Reverses. Can she take advantage?
Oh, what an elbow high on the chin. From the middle rope. Oh, what a splash. Look at this. Boom. Nice. Set up for the side Russian leg sweep.
Sasha's where she loves to be right now, right in the spotlight.
That's awesome.
Oh, great display of strength with the suplex.
The champ in a worst-case scenario.
It's going to be a minor miracle if she turns it around.
Oh, look at this. Takedown. Caught. Uh-oh. Dragon screw. Hey, Byron, just like you. Bankrupt. For the first time tonight, Sasha, look at this. Frog splash.
Really just laying it in.
In control here with a swinging neck breaker.
Textbook. Sasha Banks is really taking control of this match.
This is when it's boss time.
The boss is giving some serious orders right now.
Gets out of dodge there.
No, another reversal. Neither one of them are willing to give an inch here.
Sasha Banks looking for approval like she always does.
Nasty impact from the boss.
I have to say, I feel like we are just one move away from claiming a winner in this one.
One more move or one more misstep, either.
All the way from the top.
Meteora!
Look out, guys.
The old standing sea fire. Oh, my God, look at Sasha Banks. Just like Byron in his job. Bankrupt.
Oh, no.
What's up?
Running Bulldog.
Up and down. What a slam.
From the middle rope. She's going after her midsection again.
And can you blame her? It practically has a target on it at this point.
Drop kick from behind.
Had it scouted.
And another reversal.
Seems like we're back where we began, Michael.
And the rolling neck snap.
I love it when Sasha starts playing with people. What a tease.
Uh-oh.
Slam.
Hard right hand. What are we going to see here? Uh-oh.
Spiking DDT.
The champion into the cover. Plenty of fight left.
Yeah, this is way too early to be going for the win.
What a raucous crowd here tonight. Oh, elbow to the knee.
That'll hyperextend your leg.
Hey, Byron, just like you, bankrupt. In a bad way here, guys.
Overhead strike from the boss. Michael Cole, get ready.
Oh, I can't wait. Here we go. Sasha Banks.
Oh! Double knees.
We can have a new champion.
That is exactly what Sasha Banks needed.
She returns the favor there.
Yet another counter.
It's like they're both somehow one.
Trademark backstabber from the bar.
And the ropes will break this one up.
Looks like she's got a new lease on life here, Cole, but can she capitalize?
What energy in the arena tonight. Saw that one coming. And again, shoulders down, championship on the line. What's it going to take to keep her down?
She just will not give up, Cole.
Bam, what a slap. Sasha Banks showing up, continuing the attack on the core.
And why not? It's been effective up to this point.
She got out of the way there.
Her evasion techniques are on point. Snap suplex.
Sasha hits the backstabber. Big statement locked in.
Sasha cranking on it with everything she's got. Can the boss's opponent survive? And Sasha Banks can look all the naysayers in the eye and hold the title above all their heads.
Here is your winner and new Sasha Banks.
That's an impressive win right there.
We knew it would take the performance of a lifetime, and that's exactly what we got. Wow. There's your new champion, ladies and gentlemen.
What a spectacular championship match it was, ladies and gentlemen. Thanks for joining us.